Okay, fifth graders, here we go with another fantasy genre book. We've talked about characters, character traits, we've talked about the setting, and we also talked about the quest the character went on, the journey, the quest. Okay, today we're going to talk about the theme. But let's read it first. We'll talk more about that at the end. I'm going to move myself down here. Okay, it's called Double It. Written by Keith and Sarah Court-Martin, illustrated by Sandra Salisbury. Double It. Oh, I'm looking at the picture. I see like 2 candies here, 2 here, 2 there, 2 there. Double means to make things into 2. To double it is make it again, so that's 2 times. So let's see what she makes into 2. Okay. Mia found a box with Double It written on the side. What's this? Mia asked. Put something inside, said Mom. Mia put her book in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 2 books. Mia put her shoes in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 4 shoes. Mia put 3 pencils in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 6 pencils. Oh, see, she's making 2 of everything. So 3 pencils, and you double it, you make it twice, then you have 6, right? That makes sense. Let's see what else she does. Mia put 4 hats in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 8 hats. Mia put 5 rocks in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 10 rocks. Mia put 6 spoons in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 12 spoons. Mia put 7 pieces of candy in the box. She looked inside. Now there were 14 pieces of candy. Mia had an idea. Look, Mom, said Mia. She started to climb inside the box. No, Mia, cried Mom. Double Mia would be double trouble. Mom laughed. Nope, the end. Okay, so we know this is a fantasy. Why? What happens that tells you this is a fantasy book or story? Yep, that's right. There's magic. Things are made double, right? 2 becomes 4, 3 becomes 6. So that's magic. It just happens inside this magic box. Okay, now theme. The theme means what the story is about or what it's trying to tell you. So what in the world could this story be about? What do you think? What is the story about? What's the theme? Well, she's making things twice. So maybe just about, maybe it's about math, doing math. 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. Could be about learning some math. Could that be part of the theme? Maybe it's about, maybe it's, remember how at the end the mom said, no, do not double U, because that's twice the trouble. Well, maybe there's a reason why you don't want some things, more of some things. Maybe that's the theme. What do you think the theme might be? Okay, something to think about. As you read fantasy books, I want you to think, what are they trying to tell you? What is the theme? Okay, and we will see you the next time, and we will read another fantasy book. But always be thinking, what is it trying to tell you? What's the theme? Okay, good job. One more book done. We've read a lot of good fantasy books, and we will continue to do that the next time we meet. Thanks.